welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a Gel X toenail set. So if you're new to my channel, just subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Okay, so this video was sponsored by Melody Susie, and they sent me this pedicure nail drill to use and show you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be using this pedicure drill to do my toes. So right now I'm just filing off the surface and making it rough so that I can easily apply the Gel X tips. Okay, so right here I'm just filing around the cuticles because you got to get those cuticles if you want a seamless application, okay? And all the tools that I'm using on this set was included with the pedicure drill. Okay, so right here I'm taking the Apres dehydrator and I'm going to be putting it on all of my toes. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the Apres primer and I'm going to be doing the same thing, put them on all my toes. I'm going to be applying the Apres Extend Gel on all of my toes and then curing for 60 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the Apres primer inside of all the nail tips, and I'm using some nail tips that I got from Amazon. They're really for your nails, but I decided to use them for my toes because I mean they fit, and then I trimmed them down so they could be like a cute square shape. Okay, so as you saw, that looked ridiculous, but trust me, we're going to be cutting them. So right here I'm just doing the Extend Gel on the nails and then curing them, and I'm going to be cutting them down because I mean some people might like wearing their toes this long, but for me, no. But I chose all the sizes that fit my toes, and shockingly these nail tips, like, they fit my toes. So I know some people have like really big nail beds on their toes, but like this, I'm going to be leaving in my Amazon storefront because that's where I got them from. But these nail tips fit really good on toes, so you might want to consider getting these. Okay, so here's how they look. They look ridiculous right now, but I cut them with scissors. Y'all didn't see that. But I'm going to be filing the tips so they can look very sharp and, you know, square-like. I don't want them to be too long. I want them to be just right, you know. I had trimmed my toenails before I did all of this, so they were literally nothing. So I decided to just do Gel X so they could be like the perfect square shape instead of using acrylic, because last time I used acrylic, my toenail came off with the acrylic, okay, and that was not cute. So after we're done filing, we're just going to brush off the dust. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Gaoi nail polish, and I love this brand on Amazon. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. I want to say this is 1301, but I just love this color. It's the perfect nude, and I'm going to be applying this to all of my toes. Okay, so now it's time to do the French tip. And it's honestly easier to do the French tip on your toes because, I mean, you could use your right hand because, I mean, you're not going to be doing your toes with your toes. So you can be doing all this with your right hand. But it was honestly easier to do a French tip on here. And it didn't really take that long because, I mean, look how small of a nail bed you have to work with on most of your toes. And I'm taking the Beatles Milky White, even though it's not really milky, and it's from a liner set that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to be leaving that in my storefront down below in the description. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the Apres top coat, which is very amazing. I love this top coat. I'm almost out. I need to get some more. But I'm going to be putting down all of my nails. Okay, so I got these cherry charms from off of Shein. I have a Shein nail haul, so if you want to go check that out, I'm going to be putting it in the information card. But I'm just going to be using some rhinestone glue that I got off of Amazon. And I'm going to be gluing it on my big toe. And y'all, this is so cute. Like, I just really think this just brings out the French tip. This cute little cherry. Like, oh my gosh. But yes, now we're going to be putting on the Moravon cuticle oil that I got from off Amazon. I'm going to be leaving in the description. But yes, that's the end of the video, you guys. I filmed this months ago. And y'all, tell me why I'm just now getting to editing it. Like, it's ridiculous. But I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to be doing another one because, like I said, I filmed this months ago. And yeah, please subscribe, like, comment down below what set you want to see next. And I will see you in my next video.